No working on the 460 today. Going on a road trip. Pick up something I've been looking for. Since I started this project. It's gotta be almost 2 years I've been looking for this. For the right price, I mean. And it's very rare to find them today. It's an engine part, and it's like let's see, it's from 1992, 2002, 2012, 2022. It's almost 30 years old, so it goes on the 460, but since it's 30 years old, it's not many of them left. So it's very hard to find, and if you find one, people know what it's worth, so they're expensive. And I found one dirt cheap. So I have to unbolt it from the car myself. The car is still running, so the owner is about to junk it. So I sent him a message asking if he still had this part, and he said, yeah, it's still complete, it runs. So I said, what do you want for it? And he said, I'm just keeping the catalytic converter. You can have the rest of the car for 500 crown. 500 Swedish crown. Unfortunately, I don't have room for the whole car. I just need some engine parts. So he said, well, take whatever you need, 500 Swedish crown, just leave it so it can roll, because he needs to be able to roll it out of his backyard. So that's where I'm going now. It's about 20-minute drive, and unbolt this stuff in the middle of the winter. Lucky for me, it's like 0 to +1 today, so it's not very cold. A couple of days ago it was minus 15 Celsius, so I'm lucky it's not that cold today. You see it, guys? Straight ahead. That's what I'm picking parts from. finished removing the cylinder head. Man, this was just such a good deal. You know, they talk about Holy Grail. This is kind of a Holy Grail because I got the head and cams, throttle body, and I took the fan too, just in case. I don't know if mine's working. For 500 crown, Swedish crown. That's like, what is that? 50 bucks maybe. If you count the exchange rate high, it's $50. So why is this a Holy Grail? Well, this head and cams came from a 1992 Volvo 850 GLT, and what I've read on the Intra-web, you know, Intern-Net, whatever it's called, Intern-Net, that's the one. Anyway, what I read on the internet is the first year 850 5-cylinder, the GLT model, had the best flowing heads compared to everything else, except for, you know, the newer S60R. But if we're talking about the older 5-cylinder without the variable cam function, the 92 F50 GLT is the best flowing heads on the market for stock applications. That's why I'm so happy to find this for 500 crown. And I got the GLT cams too. They're supposed to go very well with turbocharged. And you know, this is a budget build. I'm not spending thousands and thousands of crowns on different cams and head, stuff like that. This is a budget build. I'm doing it as cheap as possible with the most bang for the bucks. So I'm happy. I'm really happy. It took about 2 hours to remove the head, and this is the second time I'm doing it inside the car. The first time was 10 years ago. 2008 was the first time I did it on my V70R, and I did that in a shop that I was working in. So nice and warm. The lights, tools, everything. This head was in the backyard, outside, snow, a little bit chilly. Temperature's not bad, but it was windy. Where this guy lived, it was really windy, so it felt a lot colder than it was. And I took my time. I was chatting a little bit with the owner. So 2 hours, not bad. I'm on my way home now. Empty the car, clean up the tools, and then I'm gonna see if I can post this video on YouTube. So see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Oh, there it is. Home at last. 1992 850 GLT head and cams. I'm very happy. So let's continue with the project car tomorrow.